All you wanna do is ride around Sally, ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around Sally, ride, Sally, ride. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Mustang Sally, that classic Wilson Pickett soul song. And I don't know about you, but the first time I really heard this song was in the movie The Commitments. Do you remember that one from the 90s where it was like the Dublin kids all got together and started a soul band? Anyways, it was my introduction to this song, but of course the Wilson Pickett version is so fabulous. In this tutorial, I am going to take you through what I think to be a very close approximation of what the band is playing on the original recording, all the way down to kind of a simplified version of the bass line, and it's going to sound so fantastic. So I hope you will come along with me. I'm Brenda Earl-Stokes. I'm the owner and creator of Piano and Voice with Brenda.com. I make creative and practical resources to help musicians like you become a more versatile musician. So before we jump into the tutorial, I want you to make sure that you go and get the free printable for this lesson. It's the lyrics and the chords on one sheet of paper, meticulously notated. All you have to do is go to Piano and Voice with Brenda.com/Mustang Sally. And there's, as you can see, a little dash in between each one of those. You just enter your email address and you'll get the beautiful lyrics and chords in your inbox, lickety splickety. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this song in some ways is kind of like a blues because it only really uses 3 chords. And although it's not a 12-bar blues, it very much has that kind of quality to it. And so the chords that we're going to play are, we're in the key of C, so it's like C7. And what we're going to play for the C7 is this. And so this is the 5, this is the 7th, and this is the 3rd. And my left hand is going to play a C, okay? Now what we're going to actually do is play a little kind of groovy church cadence here. So what this actually is hallelujah, hallelujah, or amen. But it's the bluesy version because it's going to land on the C7. And so what you're actually doing is you're playing an F triad in first inversion, A, C, F, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and your left hand is never going to play the F right now. It's just going to play the C, right? So it's going to give it that kind of soulful gospel, you know, because what is soul? You know, it's got sort of this sort of church connotation to it, very much coming out of the Black Gospel Church. So, Mustang Sally. Yes, you better throw slow your Mustang down. We're gonna go C again. Mustang Sally. Now we're playing our F7 voicing. And for this one, we're going to play the 7th, the 3rd, and the 5th. Right? And then what's the 4 chord in F? It's B flat. So we're going to play our B flat in second inversion. Sally now, baby. See how I'm doing that? So this is 7-3-5 of the F7. And then we're going to the B flat, back and forth, just like that. And then we're going to go back to the C shape. Now we're going to go to G7. And what I'm playing is 2 G's in my left hand. I'm playing a B, an F, and a G. You could play the D, actually. Let's go for it. So this is 3, 5, 7. And then there's the root. And then you're going to play that same thing half step down to G flat or F sharp, and then to F7. So you're going to go G, 3, 4, G2, G, G flat, F, right? So you've been running all over the town now. Oh, I guess I'll have to put your flat feet on the ground. 2, 3, 4, 1, just like that, right? So that's going to be the bulk of the song. Let me show you a little bit of that just so you can follow along with me, but it's basically that shape, that shape, that shape. So it goes. I'll show you the accompaniment strategy in a minute, but I want you to get this sound in your ear first. Mustang Sally, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bet you better slow your Mustang down. 3, 4, 1. Oh, Mustang Sally now, baby. Guess you better slow your Mustang down. Yeah. You've been running all over the town. Da, da, da. Oh, I guess you have to put your flat feet on the ground. What I said now. So here's the chorus. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally. Ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally. Ride, Sally, ride. Then it goes. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally. Ride, Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around, Sally. Ride, Sally, ride. One of these early mornings, you're gonna be wiping your weeping eyes. Yeah. That's the whole song. That's it. It goes, I bought you a brand new Mustang in 1965. It's the same thing over and over again. Okay. Just that same shape repeats, repeats, repeats. So now I'm going to show you the next phase of the accompaniment strategy. And often one of our hands is going to be playing the backbeat because that's really important. All you gotta do is ride around, Sally. So what we have to have is somebody playing the back beat. And it's going to be the right hand in this case, right? 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So you were playing half notes before. Now you're just going to play on beats 2 and 4. Now I'm going to show you the bass line. And the bass player plays something slightly different from time to time, but this is the basic skeletal structure. So it goes ba, ba do dee do da, ba do be do da, ba do da da da. And I've written it up here if you want to read the music. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So let me show you what it is. It goes 1 down to the 4, 5, flat 7, flat 1, do do dee do da, boo do da do da, do 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 da. So I'm showing you where your right hand is going to play on beats 2 and 4. This is good for your coordination. Faux show. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So all I have to do is add this to that. And I've notated it for you because I'm nice. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. See how I did that? Now, what are we going to do with the left hand? For the F7 chord, the same thing. 1, 4, 5, flat 7, 5, 1. 4, 5, flat 7, 5, 1. Doesn't this sound cool? Now, when we get to the G7, So this one's different. It's going to go one doubled, and then it's going to go 5 7 5 7 5 octave, 5 7 5 7 5 octave, and then you're going to go beep beep boop as we did before. So let me show you. See how I did that? One of these early mornings, you're gonna be wiping your sleepy eyes. Yeah. And that's the whole song. So, I don't like to go crazy with these challenging bass lines and things because, again, I do want most people to be able to play this. Like, if my channel is anything, it is completely not elitist. This is like music for the people. It's for all of the people to play. Even if you haven't had gazillions of lessons and you're not super skilled, I want you to have a great time and play. However, this song only really has 3 chords, and the whole song kind of repeats the same phrase over and over again. So this may be a very reasonable little goal for you to set for yourself. That being said, I am now going to play and sing through the entire song. I am going to stick very closely to this accompaniment strategy because it's quite challenging. But again, I give you full permission to kind of go about this as you will if you want to modify anything, etc. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mustang Sally, guess you better slow your Mustang down. Mustang Sally now, baby, guess you better slow your Mustang down. You've been running all over the town. Ooh, I guess I'll have to put your flat feet on the ground. Ha! What I say now? All you wanna do is ride around Sally, ride Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around Sally, ride Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around Sally, ride Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around Sally, ride Sally, ride. One of these early mornings, woo, you're gonna be wiping your weeping eyes. Huh. I brought you a brand new Mustang, a 1965. Now you come around signifying now, woman, you don't wanna let me ride Mustang Sally now, baby. Yes, you better slow that Mustang down. You've been running all over the town. Oh, I got to put your flat feet on the ground. Yeah. All you wanna do is ride around Sally, ride Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around Sally, ride Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around Sally, ride Sally, ride. All you wanna do is ride around Sally, ride, Sally, ride. You've been riding all over the town. Ooh, I guess you better put your flat feet on the ground. Doesn't that sound great? It's like got such a cool like groove that just keeps going over and over. It's like almost hypnotic. It's one of those songs that'll just keep everybody on the dance floor. So you can see it's really one, single phrase that just repeats over and over and over again. And, the trick is for it to sound really nice and groovy and for the nice metronomic time. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, make sure you leave me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of the channel. What are some other songs you're keen to learn? Let me know. I am always taking requests and kind of polling people to see what people are keen to learn. If you want to know more about me, you should check out my website, pianoandvoicewithbrenda.com. There you can learn all about my wonderful offerings. I have some great blog posts there and some resources. You can also learn if you are curious to work with me one-on-one. I do see students across the globe via Zoom from this very studio. I also have an amazing online membership called The Versatile Musician, and it's an in-depth look at all things piano skills, singing, musicianship, ear training, singing and playing piano at the same time. I have some phenomenal courses and resources in there. It's like my YouTube channel times 1,000. And I have members all over the world who are just like you, who started out watching a YouTube video and are now really rolling their sleeves up to further their skills. So check that out at theversatilemusician.com and make sure that you use coupon code GETSTARTED30 for $30 off your first month. I know you'll love it. Many of our members have been in there for years. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.